Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is of course the Patch Tuesday updates for the month of April 2021. And so what's in these security flaws for Windows? Well, first of all, there's a total of 108 flaws, and that's for all Microsoft products. So it's not just Windows. Windows has its share of security flaws, but that's also Office and other services of Microsoft, including Exchange servers and stuff like that. So only a part of this is Windows itself. But there's some really important zero-day problems in here, that's for sure. So out of the 108, 19 are classified as critical, 89 important. And there are 6 Chromium Edge vulnerabilities that were probably the ones disclosed at the Pawn to Own event. So one of the things that's important to know is that one of them, which is the Win32k elevation of privilege, is already exploited by a group called the Bitter APT group, which is actively exploiting this flaw in Windows. So that gives you an idea that it's important to actually secure your operating system to make sure you stay safe. There are also 4 critical flaws that they don't believe anyone is for now really using. So it gives you an idea of why all of this should be patched. Of course, some of them have been discovered by the NSA, and there's a lot of stuff. So it goes from Microsoft Edge Chromium to Microsoft Graphics Components, Microsoft NTFS file system elevation of privilege. There's the Microsoft Windows Codex library, Microsoft Windows Speech, the Hyper-V. There's Windows Console drivers, Windows installer, and so on. So there's a lot of little things in there that are extremely important to fix. Some of the critical ones, one is Azure Sphere, one has to do with Exchange servers. So these are some of the stuff that really needs to be updated wherever you are, an IT guy with servers all the way to Windows. So on Windows 8.1, Windows 10 version 1909 and up, it's time to update your systems. It's very important to fix this. Keep in mind that for 1909, next month will be your last security updates, and it's extremely important to update your system to something newer if you want to continue staying safe. Just the look at the amount of critical flaws right now, which are in Windows. One is Windows Remote Procedure Call Runtime. One is Windows, so there's several of them here with that flaw that's critical. So it gives you an idea. Another critical here, once again, runtime component. So, there's a lot of stuff to pay attention and make sure that you stay safe. So check it out. It's very important. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.